Hi, if you don't feel your bike is comfy enough regarding the handlebars and where they're sited, bi-risers is a good option. Today we're doing just so. Welcome to Gear Talk. So first things first, you've got bars central, so you need to know where you're at. Top tip, just put some masking tape round where your bars are, so you're working to that datum. Secondly, I have watched a couple of, and one particular guy's undone these, and he's just allowed the bars to drop straight down onto his pin, which, don't get me. What I'm going to be doing is obviously put that down to cover that, to protect that. Then I've just got a mat what you lay on the floor with. I've rolled that up. That will be then going underneath like so. That's then got it, protects it if it needs to drop. I will be holding it as I'm going, but that just gives me that third hand, which I haven't got. Let's crack on. So just gingerly crack the 4 of them. What is nice to do this job as well, you can sit down doing it, which is nice. The bar risers I will be installing today are Wunderlich ones. I must admit they are a quality products what you get from them. Saying that though, the light headlight cover I bought from them, the drop down one, it's starting now to peel, is the black surface, the coating, but it's out of sight. There you go, there off. Remember me saying the third arm? There you go. This is the riser. What it does, it lifts and it brings the bars towards you. Just be careful because some shoulders are larger than the other. The ones with the smaller shoulder need to go in first, and then obviously the larger shoulder fix the bars back on. So basically we've got the bolts into the bar riser. I'm just going to slowly, gently screw those in. Not to tighten them, just leave them slack. So you're leaving it slack so you've got adjustment on that, so you know everything's right when you come to eventually tie them down. These want to be at 19 Newton meters. So that's that done. Obviously I've been very, very lucky because these clamps haven't come off, so it's just a case of lifting your bars back up. Just a bit tricky to get them back in and started. I've put the tape on, because now we're going to have to lift the bar to roughly see where we like this. There is a chance of it skewing. It ain't going to happen, but you've just double checked it, that's all. You don't have to rip arse out of them, they're only aluminium. There you go, bar risers. This now has transformed it even better. Your back is more upright, you're not leaning over, it's just absolutely bob on. Click that subscribe button, see you on the next one. Bye bye.